Okie dokie, here's the next one, 27. We've got a pair of quadratic brackets, but all we're going to be able to use is either of these three. So in order to do that by the simplest method possible, we're going to need to expand the bracket. Every rule I use will always tell you what we do, what rules we use. So let's write down the rules for expansion of brackets then, shall we? Just to remind ourselves. I'll just put it at the bottom here somewhere. I've got x, say, minus a times x minus b. What you do is you draw 4 lines. You draw 2 for the first, 2 for the second, and 2 for the second. That's line 1, that's line 2, that's line 3, that's line 4. So, when you expand it, you're going to get 4 terms, right? So the first term is the product of the first line, so you get x squared. The second term will be this one, line 2, minus b times x, yeah? The third line, there it is there, minus a times x. And the last line, there it is, line 4. Minus times a minus in this case for this bracket arrangement. You get a plus, and it's a times b, ab. So that is the general rule for expanding a pair of linear brackets. Okay, so let's apply that rule then to simplify the above line. So 2 lines for the first, as we said, 2 lines for the second, 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't take a moment to draw those lines. And it helps you then to be able to expand the bracket correctly. So let's do the first line. 2x times x, see it there? So that would be 2x squared. The next line, line 2, plus 5 times x, see it? Then third line, minus 3 times 2x. Minus 3 2's is minus 6. Lots of the x, because the x there as well. And then lastly, the fourth line, minus times a plus is a minus. 3 times 5 is 15. So there we go. So we're getting there. We've expanded the bracket. Now we need to just tidy it up a bit more. 2 lots of x squared is on the line. How many x's? Well, we got 5, take 6. So that's minus 1 lot of x. We don't usually write 1 lot of, it's just minus x is what we need to write there. And we got a constant minus 15. So there we are. That now is tidied up. Now we can do the simple differentiation, can't we? Just as before. So differentiating both sides then, divide the x. Differentiate this, you get 2 comes down, 4x to the 1. And then x goes to 1 up here. So it's minus 1. And then constant, any constant goes to 0. So you got minus 0. Yeah. So then, just tidy that up then. Divide the x equals 4x minus 1.